Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI LED TV 4A and I'm gonna show you how to enter recovery mode. So for the first you have to turn off your TV by power key and unplug from the power source. And right now you have to tap in the same time on the OK and the back button on your remote control and hold it. And right now plug your TV to power source and keep holding the keys. You have to keep holding it all the time until the recovery mode pop-ups on our screen, and here we are. So right now you can move with the arrows, and if you want to enter something you just press on the OK button. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.